Okay, it's time to turn Peter into a show car. Taken off all the graphics from the rally. Unfortunately, we are left with a lot of sticky adhesive. I mean, a lot. It's all over the car. So I'm going to get some thinners on that before I can start cutting and polishing. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. Yeah, it's fine. Anything's better than what was there anyway. Go, one brand new windscreen. Just got to fit all the scuttle panel back, get it home and give it the final polish. Okay, banger rally car to show pony, all in 2 weeks. We've had the bumper sprayed, texture paint on the top, new headlight lenses, new indicators, the grille's been done, a new grille badge, the front bumper trim's been added, the front splitter's been done, passenger wings all been blended in, looking lovely. I had to re-drill the hole for the indicator up here because the one I had was a phase 2 Mark 1, which is hidden behind there. New badges all round. Door's been done as well because that was all rippled. Wing mirrors all been sprayed. Everything else has been cut and polished, looking really good. A set of GLX wheel trims because mine were looking tatty. Back end's been polished up, a few little paint chips been filled in. Boot spoiler's all been sprayed up. I've got a crack here, but I've got another one of those waiting for me at home, fresh in from Germany. All new badges on the back, Mondeo's, Ford and the 16 valve. Didn't get a new exhaust, didn't get time, so a little bit of hammerite just to freshen it up a little bit. And again, we've polished this side. But we're going to take it home now and give it a final once over. Another clean, another polish, bit of tyre dressing, all ready for tomorrow's Ford show. It's going to look lovely. Very pleased with this. It's looking immaculate. What do we have here? Peter making it to its first show.
Like I said, we got
polished up pretty well for a turd.
Over.
There it is, Peter looking fine. He's done an incredible job on that front bumper. Oh yes, plus we had a windscreen yesterday. Brand new windscreen in it, another 300 quid.
It's absolutely glorious.
But yeah, it polishes up really well. It's taken me a few evenings. Get all that sticky glue off from the rally. But it's looking really good. A few more little things to do to it to make it A1. But it's certainly looking the part.
Wow.
And just in time, a number plate surround came from Germany. Brand new item. Fitted it last night.
Yeah, if both of you are going to run away.
Over 4 hours to get all the stickers off and the glue. Unfortunately, this rear door had been sprayed in the past and hadn't been lacquered properly. So thinners took the paint off. So you can see all the primer, so I've literally quickly rattle canned it with a little bit of lacquer. Isn't too bad from a distance, but that door will need doing.
Had to quick buy a front headlight cluster for an MDA6, £1,700 for a headlight cluster.
But Peter's holding his own. Had lots of interest, a lot of people comment on it. So glad I saved this one. Just going to figure out what we're going to do with the engine. Do we keep it standard, or do we go insane with either a V6 or Duratec build?
The Cornish sunshine.
And Peter's certainly glistening. Should be an amount of time I've polished it.